Alright friends, Catherine here to show you the cutting of the cane we made yesterday. I lightly baked it for 15 minutes at 170 degrees, just so that it holds its shape and doesn't smear during cutting. And now, we're going to cut it and end up with this wonderful swirly design. Now, the green layer was a little bit thinner than the blue layer, which ended up resulting in quite a bit thinner once we had rolled it all out, which is fine. It just makes mostly blue beads in that case. And, ooh, that one's got a really clear spiral on it. Awesome. It's weird to me how some of them can turn out different looking than others when I made the whole length of the cane the same way all the way through. It's just, I know that it can happen, but it's just odd to me that it does. I try to be as consistent as possible, but things don't always work out the way that we planned them, do they? Ooh, that one was really clear too. Go. Oh. Just slicing off bits of cane, making round discs that I can put holes through and bake further so that I end up with beads when all is said and or done. There we go. Ooh. I'm trying to remember, this one's a little bit softer than the last one, and I'm trying to remember to roll it as I cut it, because it does end up sort of pressing to the side that's facing the table. A little bit, not too badly, but just a little bit. There we go. Ooh, that one turned out really nice too. There we go. That one ended up a little bit tall. That's okay. Yeah, these ones towards the middle of the cane are turning out very clear in their spiral. I'm liking them a lot, and they radiate nicely from the lighter color out to the darker color as well, which is a lot of fun, in my personal opinion. Okay, let's turn that one over. Ooh, that one's really nice as well. Maybe it's just this end of the cane that's turning out better. Ooh, air bubble. It's still soft though. We can sort of press that in, hopefully. Oh well, it'll work out. Go. Almost done with this cane. This is going to be a pretty quick one today, I think. Just a little bit of slicing. To see how this turned out. Oh, pretty. Yeah, in general, I like this end better than this end, but they all turned out really cool. Gotta say, not mad at them. If you guys like these, definitely let me know. I'm having a lot of fun figuring out these different canes, and this one turned out a lot better than some of the previous ones because I figured out the pre-baking, I figured out the slicing. Still working on like designs and things, but that one I really like. If you do too, I'd be happy to hear from you. I put up new videos every day, so remember to subscribe, and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye!